back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing outdoor backyard patio design and top 10 tips to transform your backyard into a stunning and functional outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many homeowners, the dream is to seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. An expertly designed outdoor backyard patio becomes an extension of your home, offering a tranquil escape or a vibrant space for entertaining. But what exactly is a patio, and how can you transform yours into a functional and aesthetically pleasing haven? This comprehensive guide, aimed at viewers like you on the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel, will delve into the world of outdoor backyard patio design. We'll explore the core concept, unveil the numerous benefits, and provide actionable tips to create a patio that reflects your personal style and elevates your outdoor living experience. An outdoor backyard patio is a paved area, typically constructed from concrete, pavers, stone, or wood, that serves as an extension of your living space into the outdoors. Unlike a deck, which is often raised off the ground, a patio sits at ground level and creates a designated space for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Patios can be open to the elements or covered with a pergola, awning, or umbrella for shade. Investing in an outdoor backyard patio design can significantly enhance your home's functionality and enjoyment. Here are some key benefits to consider. First, increased living space. A well-designed patio expands your usable square footage, creating an additional room for entertaining, dining, or simply enjoying the fresh air. Second, enhanced curb appeal. A beautiful patio adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to your backyard, boosting your home's overall visual appeal. Third, improved indoor-outdoor flow. Patios create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a sense of openness and connection with nature. Fourth, entertainment oasis. Patios offer the perfect platform for hosting gatherings, barbecues, or simply relaxing with friends and family. Fifth, increased property value. A well-designed patio is a valuable investment that can add significant value to your property when it comes time to sell. How do I make my outdoor backyard patio look good? Now that you understand the advantages of a patio, let's explore some key elements to transform yours into a stunning and functional outdoor space. Hear these: the compilation of top 10 best outdoor backyard patio design ideas. 1. Define your style. Identify your desired aesthetic: modern, traditional, rustic, or minimalist. This will guide your material selections, furniture choices, and overall ambience. 2. Consider sun and shade. Analyze sun patterns throughout the day. Strategically place umbrellas, pergolas, or awnings for shade in high sun areas. 3. Create a focal point. A focal point like a fire pit, water feature, or stunning sculpture adds visual interest and a central gathering spot. 4. Comfort is key. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture that complements your style and caters to your intended use. 5. Amp up the ambience. String lights, fairy lights, or lanterns create a magical atmosphere for evening entertaining. 6. Introduce greenery. Incorporate potted plants, climbing vines, or a vertical garden to add a touch of nature and soften the space. 7. Don't forget the floor. Area rugs specially designed for outdoor use can add a pop of color, pattern, and define different areas on your patio. 8. Accessorize wisely. Scatter throw pillows, ottomans, side tables, and outdoor artwork to personalize the space and create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. 9. Privacy matters. Consider privacy screens or strategically placed plants to create a sense of seclusion if your patio is overlooked. 10. Embrace outdoor entertainment. Add an outdoor projector screen, a fire pit, or a game set to transform your patio into an entertainment hub. When selecting items for your patio, prioritize functionality, durability, and weather resistance. Here's a quick list to get you started. Furniture. Choose weatherproof furniture made from materials like teak, wrought iron, or high-quality plastic. Seating should be comfortable and accommodate your intended use. Flooring. Consider pavers, concrete, stone, or weatherproof tiles for a durable and attractive patio surface. Shade solutions. Explore pergolas, awnings, umbrellas, or shade sails for sun protection and creating designated areas. Lighting, string lights, solar lanterns, or outdoor sconces can enhance ambience and provide illumination for evening gatherings. Accessories, weatherproof throw pillows, ottomans, side tables, artwork, and plants personalize the space and create a cohesive aesthetic. By following these tips and unleashing your creativity, you can transform your outdoor backyard patio into a stunning and functional extension of your living space. Don't let your backyard patio remain an underutilized space. Watch our latest video on the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring outdoor patio design ideas and DIY tips to bring your vision to life. We'll guide you through the process, from defining your style to selecting the perfect furniture and accessories. Remember, your outdoor backyard patio is a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. With careful planning and a touch of creativity, you can create a personal oasis that fosters relaxation, connection with nature, and unforgettable memories with loved ones. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.